Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 5th. In this class, we are going to discuss a fair task, that is Roman number 3. Round up the following numbers to the nearest thousands. What is it? Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. We already discussed round off the numbers, following numbers to nearest tens and to nearest hundreds. Right now it is time to discuss thousands. Children, see, look at the number. This was a number. So before going to do the problem, you have to look at the number, first one, and you have to identify the place value system. You know that we have to always start from right to left. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So he only asked it for thousands. He said round up the following numbers to the nearest thousands, but not said to the nearest hundreds or nearest tens. So we have to only concentrate on thousands. So here they given ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So if we want nearest thousand, we have to check for what? 100. Understand, children? Ones, in the place of ones, 8. We should not conclude that. And in the place of tens, the value is 4. We should not conclude that too. And in the place of hundreds, the value is 9. But the place of 100 is very important for thousands. When they ask to round up the following given numbers to the nearest hundreds, then you have to conclude for tens, not for ones. When they asked to round up the following numbers to nearest tens, then you have to concentrate on ones. Understand, children? Means for every step, one step is increasing. For tens, you have to concentrate on ones. For hundreds, you have to concentrate on tens. For thousands, you have to concentrate on hundreds. Understand, children? If they ask 10,000, then you have to concentrate on thousands. If they ask lakh, 1 lakh or 2 lakh, then you have to concentrate on 10,000. Like that, it varies, it increases. So children, right now they asked to round up the following numbers to the nearest thousand. So we have to go for this. Means we have to only concentrate on hundreds. Then what's the remaining numbers? See, in the remaining ones and tens place, the value should be recorded as 0. So take, this was the number given, 8,948. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So they asked only thousands, so you need to look at only at hundreds. So in the place of ones, the value is 8, but you should not bother further. So in the place of ones, you need to keep the value 0. And in the place of tens, the value is 4. You should not bother for this number too. So in the place of tens, you need to keep 0. Remaining, coming to the next hundreds place, the value here is 9. Means I already said the number which is greater or equal to 5 should be round off to the next number. Understand, children? If the value is less than 5, understand, children? If the value is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then it should be round off to the next value. Means if suppose 70 is there, here they given 66. Children, they asked to round off to the nearest tens value. So here, see, here in the place of ones, the value is 6 no. So 6 is greater than 5. So in the place of ones, you are keeping 0 and you are increasing one number. 6 plus 1 how much? 70. Like that, you need to keep zeros in the place of ones and tens. You should not bother them. Then coming to the hundreds, you need to concentrate on 9. See here, 9 means the 9 is greater than the value of 5. So here too you have to keep 0. Why, sir? Because you are adding 1 to the next thousands place. So in the place of thousands, the value is 8. So you are adding 1 to the 8. So what? 8 plus 1 how much? 9. So 9,000 is the nearest thousand. Understand, children? 8,948 is the given number, and the nearest thousand is the 9,000. Understand? Next case. Next sum. See again, I am taking this number here itself, 24,649. Then, while looking at the number, should not consider which is thousands. And you need to place value system from right to left. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Here the value is very big, but you need to consider only for thousands. They ask thousand. Okay, children. Again, see, in the place of ones, whether the value 9 or small means 1, 2, you need not to bother. You should keep only 0. And in the place of tens, the value is 4, but you should keep to 0. You should keep 0. And in the place of hundreds, the value is 6. The value is 6 means here the 6 is greater than the value 5. It is not less than 5. It is greater than 5. So here too you need to keep 0. Coming to the thousands position, the value in the thousands is 4. Here you need to add 1 to the 4. So 1 plus 4 how much? 5. You need to keep 5 in the place of thousands, and this will be remained as same. Do like this. So 25,000 is the nearest thousand to 24,649. Understand, children? 25,000 is the nearest thousand to the given number 24,649. Coming to the last sum, last problem. Here they are given 90,428. Again you need to keep the place value system. Once, I am writing here. Is it visible for you? 90,428. Okay, you need to keep place value system ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. In the place of ones, the value is 8, but you need to keep 0 only. In the place of tens, 2, you need to keep 0. In the place of hundreds, the value is 4. You need to concentrate here. The value is 4 means here in this case means the 4 is less than the number 5. 4 is less than 5. So you need to keep 0 here, and in the place of thousands 0, and in the place of 10,000s the value is 9. Sir, what sir? In the previous case you said you have to add plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Then why in this case you are not adding plus 1 to the thousands place? Here the concept is the value 4 is less than 5. So you should not bother. Understand, children? If the value is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then you have to add plus 1 to the thousands place. But here the value 4 is less than the value 5. So you need not bother, you simply keep zeros. 90,000. 90,000 is the nearest thousand to the 90,428. Understand, children? 90,000 is the nearest thousand to the 90,428. Children, do the remaining problems. We'll discuss the next concept in the next class, children. Thank you, children.